Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to create RAR and zip files, or other words, pack your files into RAR and zip archives using RAR app on your Motorola Moto G52. So in order to do this, we'll need to locate the files on our RAR app, and mine are located in DCIM, then camera. There's 3 pictures which I'm gonna pack. Now select each individual file that you want to pack. Then press this plus button, and that way you will reach archiving options. Here you can change the name for this archive, so let me change that to pictures. Change the extension for the file. Here you can pick the file to be RAR or zip, whichever you want. You can also set the password for this archive, and I'm gonna do it simply 123. You can show the password if you're not sure that you typed it in correctly, or encrypt the file names. Here you can also enable or disable create solid archive or delete files after archiving. If we move to advanced options, we'll be able to see more advanced options, and in the options there's even more options. In the comments you can leave any comment about this RAR file, and here click OK in order to pack this file. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.